Hi, I'm Sarah Mangiarelli Boyle, and I'm a physical therapist at Mangiarelli Rehab. Today I'm going to show you 3 exercises for plantar fasciitis. Plantar fasciitis is when you have pain at the bottom of your foot or the heel due to the plantar fascia being inflamed. And that's a structure that's at the bottom of your foot. It goes from your heel all the way to your toes. So I'm going to show you a couple things you can do to relieve that pain. First, you can freeze a water bottle and put it under your foot and just roll it back and forth. The ice helps to reduce inflammation, and you're also getting a stretch on the bottom of your foot. You could do that for a couple minutes twice a day. The next thing is a stretch for the plantar fascia. Usually it gets very tight, and when people wake up in the morning, they go to step down, it hurts in their heel or the bottom of their foot. So this is a good stretch. You want to make sure the towel is under your heel, and then you're pulling back your toes. Okay, so you want to feel that the bottom of your foot and hold 20 to 30 seconds, 3 times, twice a day. And this is a good one to do before you get out of bed. And then the last exercise is a strengthening for your plantar fascia. You want to roll up a towel part way. And you want to get your toes on the rolled up part of the towel. And then you're just going to go up on your toes. And you can use a wall or a counter to help balance. And you could do 2 sets of 10 twice a day. Again, that's helping to strengthen your foot and your calf. So those are a couple exercises that you can try if you're having problems with your plantar fascia, or you can always give us a call at Mangiarelli Rehab, and we'd be happy to work with you. Thanks. Bye.